We're going to Grandma's.
Oh, wow.
Hello, hello.
Bye, Shirley.
Oh, my hood is coming on.
Grab your boots.
Okay.
Put your hood on.
Yeah.
It's gonna stay up.
Yeah.
Stop putting it down.
Whoa. Whoa. That's backwards.
No, it's not. This is right.
This is not.
Yes, it is.
No,
It's two.
it's not.
Why? Why is it not? Look, there's a curve there in the boot, and there's a curve there in your foot. So that's right.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
There we go.
There. It's cookies.
Is your other boot on?
Yeah. We're going to Grandma's.
This is a sign we put together. Just some cedar boards, and I think that's pine. But they're both stained, and they kind of go well together. And then Andy put the, whatever that's called, what's it called? Stenciling? So she made a few of these as gifts for people. I think they look pretty good.
Shirley, can I see your chicken box?
Okay. Chicken back.
Oh, wow. Look at those moves. Yeah.
Chicken back. Chicken back. Chicken back. Chicken back.
I lost you. I can't see you. Joe, you look hot. Were you sweating over there, red cheeks? Yeah, were you sweating?
Chicken back. Chicken back.
You are a chicken.
Hello, hello. Just like that. Hello, hello. Just like that. I show you. Hello, hello. Just like that, Mother. My baby Christmas.
End
My baby Christmas. My baby Christmas.
June. That's forever.
My baby Christmas. My baby Christmas. Hey, don't. Kitty.
I think he's done, Shirley.
I got thoughts in my mouth, and so I am my other eyes are all gone. So I thought that sucked. We must have a little bit celsius up on my hair, and so much more better. I think a bit better, and so I got much body in my mouth. Hey, stop it!
Hi. I'm gonna run off the road.
Because my pops a golf ball. Because I'm scared. Now it's good on my stand. It's okay.
So, woman, what are we doing?
We are going to the Spot Pizza to get some pizza to take home and a movie to watch with the kids.
It's raining, so we can't harvest corn. Corn's really wet. So, kind of have a part of the day off. Plus all the equipment broke down. I'll tell you about that later. JoJo's telling us about her day. We're also grabbing jars because we're out of milk, or we're out of, wow. We're also grabbing jars because we're out of jars to put milk in. You riding on the shopping cart, Shirley?
Yeah.
Bye, Shirley.
Stop.
Okay, let's go. Okay, Shirley. We're here for jars. Do you see them?
Nope. Not in the room.
I don't see them either.
There. Right there.
They're all out of their gallon jars. Or half gallon.
Right there. I found them. But I think left my mouth. Where's you at?
We're just grabbing jars.
I wish.
You wish upon a star?
Yeah.
There's the broken chain.
It's been really awful.